Good morning, Las Vegas. It is day 4, and we are getting ready to move properties. We're getting ready to check out of room 19255 at the Excalibur. Trying to leave the room in the same condition. Quick peek at the bathroom in case you haven't seen a room tour. I have a full in-depth room tour if you want to see one. Got the shower. Bathroom, we threw all of our towels in there. Little closet. Your AC. I didn't use that wall one. TV, dresser. There's a safe down there. We have 2 beds. We've been here for 3 nights. Room was really disgusting when I checked in. All kinds of stains and nastiness. Just like Excalibur always has. So I deep cleaned this thing with Lysol. I couldn't do the chairs, of course, but everything else in this room, so if you ask for 19255, has been completely disinfected, anything that you would touch. So if you ask for that one, it's the Vegas to Cali super clean disinfected room. Today I am wearing my awesome Welcome to Fabulous Up and Our Way. Thank you, Tracy. We're going to be heading on over to the Rio. You can see it barely peeking behind the Martin there. Anyways, Tropicana construction has been going the whole time we are here. It is completely closed on Tropicana Avenue since last Friday. It has been so peaceful. Anyways, but it looks like it's coming along. They're doing a great job. Should be almost done. It's only taken them about 20 years to get this exit done. Today we're going to be going downtown. We're going to go to the Rio and check in, and then we're going to be going downtown and checking in our room at Binion's. And then Pennies for Vegas is having his casino crawl downtown. We're going to go down there and try to collect some chips along the way and see some of our friends and have a good old time downtown. So come along with us. It is like 52 degrees outside today. It's very, very chilly. But the Excalibur pools are open for business. A couple people down there. That pool is so gross looking. I don't know why it's so black and dirty. I wish they'd open the slide pool. But anyways, they also have this pool open here. Full of people. But I was really surprised to see the pools open in March in such chilly weather. Anyways, very nice though. We had a great stay at Excalibur. And looking forward to our stay at Rio. Let's go. So join us for that Uber ride. We're getting ready to check out of the Excalibur. And I noticed that there's a Sprinkles Cupcake machine now over here at the Excalibur. So be sure to come pick up your Sprinkles Cupcakes. I didn't get one though this time because I'm trying to be good. So yay for Cali. All right, here we go with all of our crap. Out. Me sitting here recording the whole time and it wasn't recording. I was just saying, there goes the monorail. There it goes, but you know. Anyways, it's super windy today. Look at those trees. Might get some rain here in Las Vegas. We're waiting for our Uber. Just took Mrs. Cookie out for a little potty sesh. Yeah. There's a little Cali over there with all of our stuff. We're getting ready to move to the Rio. Let's see if the Rio does us right this time. Back in September, we kind of had a rough time over there. So let's see how it is. Come along with us for the ride. Today, we're representing our YouTube mom and dad, Up and Our Way. Be sure to subscribe to their amazing channel. It's Uber time. have checked into the Rio. It was really super easy to check in. Look at this cute little carpet they have. We're in the Mascarade Tower, and we are in 29024. Let's take a peek at the bathroom. This is much smaller than the Ipanema Tower. I'll have a room tour of that for you. We stayed in the Ipanema Tower in September. Extra sink, your shower. The shower has the little, you can see into the other room, the little shower. It's a little peep show shower. Comes with the Nest Wellness Body Wash, shampoo, and conditioner. It does have a tub if you want to take a soak. It does have another light up. Mirror. You're beautiful. Stool. Some drawers. You have a mirrored closet. There is an ironing board, your luggage rack, a safe. All right, we got the lights on. It comes with a beautiful little couch to sit on with a couple pillows, coffee table, couple lamps, some beautiful art. You have your TV, and it has a refrigerator in there for you, so that's a nice touch. Very nice. It comes with 2 queen-size beds. See that little window over there? That's the peep show window in the shower. It has a desk if you want to do some computer work. Very nice and spacious room. Look at all that room. Wow. Bedside table, alarm clock, phone that nobody will answer. Got a lamp. Each bed has 4 pillows. They're those tiny little chiclet pillows though. And here you can come over and take a peek at whoever's taking a shower. Isn't that interesting? It goes down to 55 degrees, which is very nice, but it never gets very cold. In the last one, we'll see if this one gets cold. We'll put it at 60. We've got the little vent check. It's kind of clean, but kind of not. But not terrible, so I've seen a heck of a lot worse. We like this room so far. It's very comfy, bright, spacious. Here's our view of, God, these windows are so filthy. Ooh, but you know, what can they do? I guess hire a window washer. We have a view of the Strip here. We've got a view of Allegiant Stadium. And what else do we got here? Oh, the windows are so gross. Bellagio, the backside of Bellagio, and Caesars. And oh, we can even see the link over here. Let's go look at the other side. I would like to have room 29029. I'm manifesting that. Look at that one. It's got stairs and everything. So here's this bright, beautiful room. It's spectacular. I really like it so far. Excellent view. You can see the Orleans all the ways over there. The entire Strip. If we come over here. Unfortunately, Harris is blocking the big ball, so I can't get any big ball action. But we got some Strip action. This will be a pretty view at night. Like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Would you stay in this room for free? How much would you pay to stay in a room like this at the Rio? We got this one comped. Just paying resort fees, which are absolutely outrageous. It's like $58 a night for resort fee or something like that. Cute little couch. The couch, though, has definitely seen some better days. And the furniture definitely is dated, tore up from the floor up, and worn out. Vents have quite a bit of nasty dust in them. Kind of gross. that the Cromwell is rebranding to be called the Vanderpump. Very exciting. So congratulations to Lisa Vanderpump on all of her Vegas success. So that'll be the Vanderpump Hotel and Casino, I guess.